Today we're in the shed shop, my little shed that's being used as a shop with just some shelves. Anyway, I need to fix this jack because it doesn't work. It doesn't pump up anymore. I've tried, making sure that it's been closed and ready to go, but it's so slow that it just doesn't seem to do much. I don't know. It should be up a lot more than that. So I'm going to try and fill up the jack with some new oil. So, if you need to get jack, use jack oil. This is a product I bought at Princess Auto. It's Rizlone. I don't know if I'm, pronouncing that correctly, but it's jack oil with a stop leak. So we'll see if this works. Let's take a look at the instructions. So it says clean area around filler cap, fill jack to proper level, cycle jack by lifting and releasing a few times to release any air caught in system. Leaks usually stop in a few days of normal usage. If leak continues, repair may be required. Okay, so, it might not even solve the problem, but let's just see anyway. From what I've gathered online is that that right there is your fill. But I don't think you can fill it while it's laying down like this. I think you have to lift it up because it's actually your fill level. So I'm going to go ahead and try and pop that off and see what we have. So that wasn't too bad. I can't really show it on camera, but it's kind of dirty in there. But either way, let's just see what we get by popping this in here. Should be simple. I don't know. Oh, that little thing is going to get in the way maybe. Oops. Helps if I remove the seal. What the heck? This thing is like multi-sealed. Probably keep that for later because I don't know how much it's actually going to use. So we'll see. Okay. That's not how we're going to do it. My goodness. I gotta find a funnel or something. Or maybe I'll just start it this way. See, nope, that doesn't work either. It's this pin. This pin is in the way. So poorly designed. Well, maybe not, I don't know. Well, that actually seems to be working. I'm kind of impressed. Basically, you're slowly squeezing the oil out onto the screwdriver, and it's just flowing down the screwdriver rather than just spilling all over the place. Cool. All right, I don't know if that's too little or a lot. Let's just see what that gives us. It definitely needs more. Yeah, don't go too fast because can't handle it. Oh, almost there. I can kind of see it moving on the inside now, so that's good. Yeah, it's right there. I'm not going to fill up any more than that. So that wasn't too bad. A little slow, but that screwdriver trick works really well. Just put it in there. I guess you could use any kind of rod. Put it in the center of the fill hole and just pour very slowly with the jack oil. So let's see if it works. closed. Well, it's definitely moving a lot better than the last time. Let's cycle through the whole thing. Oops, I cycled that a little bit too fast, so some of it came out. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a shot. All right, that should be more than enough. I'm gonna actually just plug it. There we go, give it a little clean. Let's cycle that one more time. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought, so that's pretty good. It didn't use that much oil, maybe about a third. And now it's back in working order. So don't throw out your old jacks. You know, try this first and then get rid of them if they still don't work. Or maybe rebuild them. I don't really know what your issue would be. But that's it for this video. Super quick one. I thought it might be interesting. Thanks for watching. I'm Paul. Take it easy.